Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most powerful and aggressive baggers Harley-Davidson has ever created, the 2025 Harley-Davidson CVO Road Glide RR. This machine is a race-inspired, high-performance beast that pushes the limits of what a touring motorcycle can do. So, let's break down its specs and see why this bike is a game-changer. At the heart of the CVO Road Glide RR is a liquid-cooled, 45-degree V-twin engine, packing 4 valves per cylinder. This 2,153 cubic centimeters powerhouse delivers a staggering 153 horsepower at 5,750 RPM and a crushing 150 lb-ft of torque at 4,750 RPM. With an 11.0-to-1 compression ratio and Screamin Eagle Racing King 6-speed transmission, this Harley is built for aggressive acceleration and top-end power. Fueling this beast is an electronic sequential port fuel injection system, featuring a 68mm throttle body for precise throttle response. And to handle all that power, it comes equipped with a wet, multi-plate slip/assist clutch for smooth and controlled gear shifts. This performance bagger rides on a steel tube frame with a 2-piece backbone and a bolt-on rear subframe, ensuring a strong yet lightweight build. Up front, Öhlins 43mm FGR 253 Hypersport Superbike forks provide 5.1 inches of travel, while the fully adjustable Screamin Eagle Öhlins remote reservoir shocks in the rear offer 3.5 inches of travel, delivering race-ready handling and superior comfort. Stopping power is just as impressive. The dual Brembo GP4 RX radial mount calipers grip 320mm T-drive discs up front, while the rear Brembo 4-piston caliper clamps down on a 300mm disc, both equipped with ABS for optimal control. Rolling on 7-spoke aluminum alloy wheels, the front measures 19 by 3.5 inches, while the rear comes in at 18 by 5.0 inches. These are wrapped in Dunlop D408F and D407T tires, ensuring maximum grip and stability. With a rake of 26.0 degrees and a 6.7-inch trail, this bagger strikes the perfect balance between agility and stability. It boasts a 64.4-inch wheelbase, a ground clearance of 6.3 inches, and a seat height of 28.9 inches, offering a commanding yet comfortable riding position. Despite its high-performance upgrades, the claimed wet weight sits at 785 pounds, giving it a solid, planted feel on the road. And with a 6-gallon fuel tank, you'll have plenty of range for those long-haul rides. In conclusion, the 2025 Harley-Davidson CVO Road Glide RR is a powerhouse performance bagger, blending race-inspired engineering with classic Harley-Davidson heritage. From its explosive V-twin power to its premium suspension and high-performance braking, this bike is built to dominate the streets and the track. Thanks for joining. Ride safe and see you next time.